Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at Render, seeing what's going on. This coin is cranking, absolutely doing well. So we're going to double check a couple of important factors in the back and kind of see what's going on here. So if you are new to the channel, very much welcome on board. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Deeply appreciate that. And of course, as well, if you want to become a better trader, CryptoCash.tech is a site linked down below. Be sure to check that out. We got a few slots left available for the month. Now, when it comes to liquidation, there's a lot of people trying to short this coin on the way up. I totally get it. It's been shooting up for quite a few days now. But when you see this kind of liquidation, it's more likely to continue to go further. And there's a lot of bullish convergences here too as well, where you want to be very, very careful shorting this coin. Okay. Now, again, the main reason why is because there's a lot of people having confidence in the price going up. And a lot of times that confidence is concurrent with a lot of other fundamentals and technical data. So we're going to look at that here and kind of see, but generally speaking, there's more liquidation to the upside than the downside, giving us more potential for the price going further up. Keep in mind, we are working into this resistance range. 0.618 is common retracement area, so there's possibility the price could still pull back, totally. But we want to see if there's any kind of divergences or just convergences, see roughly what's going on here. So what we like to look at, first of all, is all moving averages. They're all below the price action. Reaffirming shorting this coin is probably a bad idea. Same thing with RSI. We can see RSI getting closer to 70. That could be a resistance range for us. 0.618, 0.65, that golden pocket effectively. We could see the price pull back. Okay, so keep in mind, based on common rejection areas, we're getting close to that range. We're in that range. But all the other convergences that we're seeing here show no indication of the price wanting to turn around from a macro perspective. Okay, so there's probably more propensity for the price to continue higher. We take a look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see same qualities here as well. The 20-day SMA is kind of running concurrent with the ascending trend here, so we'll pay attention to that as well. And then, of course, just confirm that we've been over 70 on the RSI for quite a few days now, ever since May 4th. So 3 days now running strong. On average, though, you got to recognize convergence on the 4-hour time frame typically runs for about 3 to 4 days if you have a strong bullish convergence. So I would say we probably have maybe about a day's worth left of continuation before the price either pulls back or goes sideways. Cool thing is it's kind of going sideways already right now, at least on very smaller time frames, so we can identify that too. But generally speaking here, for the most part, convergences all the way around. There's no reason to consider shorting this coin. Again, main reason why, extremely high volume. When this volume stays high like this, the way that it is, you steer clear of it and you're better off jumping in than jumping against, if you will. All right, so again, you're better off looking for a long position than a short position right now. Take a look at that here. We can see a lot of overextended states where it's followed by consolidation. We hit a 9 here, legs up, goes sideways. Hit another 9, leg up, goes sideways. We're seeing this rinse and repeat action, but look at this volume, folks. There is no reason to short this coin right now, okay? Now, again, you might get lucky. You might be able to find the top. But that's really all it is right now. You cannot find the top in a situation like this when the price just continues to run. There's 0 reasons out of 100 to take a short position, and 100 out of 0 reasons, if that even makes sense. No, 100 out of 100 reasons to take a long position. Again, I don't like taking longs at the top like this. Personally, I feel like it is overextended and it should pull back soon. So I totally get why people are trying to short this coin, but from a macro perspective and liquidation, etc., there's no reason to take a short position right now. All the more reason why people shorting are getting destroyed time in and time out. So do not be another statistic here. If you're going to take a trade to the upside, it makes a lot more sense. I'm not telling you to take a trade right now because I do feel like we're getting close to the top. It might pull back a little bit at the very least to retrace, to bounce off this more recent point of control. They're about maybe $10 even, but that's more of a better case scenario. So Render, as per usual, doing very well. And it's nice to see this here as well, because again, just so you guys know, in case you're not familiar, Render is one of the few altcoins I have in my spot bag. Okay, and I'm happy that I did. I got in somewhere in the $2 or $3 range a while back, but this is a coin that's continuing to show potential, and I think in the big picture, absolutely a coin worth holding on to. So heads up on that. Otherwise, thank you again so much for watching. Comment below, like, subscribe, and follow if you haven't already. Please absolutely help grow the channel. Link down below too for Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, folks. These guys are awesome. We trade with them daily, and they've been great to our community. So if you use my link below, you get nice rewards, benefit, no KYC or VPN required. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Thanks again so much for your time. Take care.